Anin Boujou band members, today is August 4th. A few updates on activities for the week. Yesterday, I attended a groundbreaking for the new District 3 Head Start building. It's very hot out there. We had a very good turnout of community members, commissioners, and district representatives for the day. So we had a couple of our cultural folks speak on behalf of the project, and Brad Harrington started it off with a blessing. And we had a dish that was shared with everyone, and also Meek Waits to Skip Churchill for all of his good words as well. What was good about the event, there were several young children and helped with shoveling the dirt. And there was even a baby that wore a construction hat. So it was very fun and it was a good day. Other announcements that the Department of Natural Resources will hold their annual wild rice meeting on August 11th, and that is at noon, and it will be at the powwow grounds. The meeting will discuss the season outlook and the rice bed conditions, general concern of harvesters, youth participation, state opening dates, and other items. Lunch will be provided. If you'd like more information, please contact the DNR 320-532-7439. The ANGI program has received a limited amount of funding to provide a one-time payment to cover past due rent or utilities. It is called Fast Track, One-Time Emergency Rental Assistance. And this must be an amount that is past due. It cannot be used for current or upcoming payments. And this is a one-time funding. The distribution process is being finalized. More information will be coming soon, and you can call Tammy at 320-292-1942 with questions. The funding will end on September 30th, 2023, or earlier if the funding runs out. August is National Water Quality Month. National Water Quality Month is dedicated to protecting the relatively small amount of fresh water we have, because clean water is vital to our individual health, our collective agricultural needs, and the needs of the environment. When we think about clean water, we think about the proposed Tamarack mine, which has significant risk to our community's fresh water resources, which is why Water Over Nickel was developed to inform the public about the environmental impact of the mine. Learn more about National Water Quality Month at the nationalwaterqualitymonth.org, and learn more about Water Over Nickel. And that is waterovernickel.com. And I talked about attending the groundbreaking for the Head Start. And so there is going to be a need for construction workers there. There is also going to be a need for construction workers at the casinos for the renovation of many of the hotel rooms. And so please, if you are interested, look on www.malaxband.com and submit an employment application, resume, and cover letter by the posting closing dates. And that includes current job postings, and the construction jobs will be posted when the time frame is determined. Also today, I had a compromise hearing with the band assembly that started at 10:30, and this was regarding the Cannabis Project that is being proposed. And there was a survey that went out to everyone, and the results were overwhelmingly in support of the Cannabis Project. And as we're moving forward, I just stated in the band assembly, based on the letter, is that the people want this project, so I also support the project. But currently, there are problems with the appropriation bill that have been pointed out to me by our attorneys. And so I do support this project, but there are some minor concerns with the appropriation bill. Actually, the way that the band assembly submitted it has no problems. The only thing that I'm concerned about is the Mille corporate ventures, making sure that anything moving forward, that we do have a cannabis code to address it. And I will put the letter to the band assembly on the website so you can look at that as well. And the next step of this compromise hearing will be Sunday at 9 a.m. So if you're interested, please join. And with the compromise, the fix is very easy. And the only thing we need is a clarifying sentence to the appropriation bill. So look forward to the updated news on that. And with that, I'd like to say good day. I will talk to you soon. And if you join the compromise hearing, I will see you on Sunday. Miigwech.